Hey everyone, how's it going? So today we will be going over the charAt method in Java. So the way this works is we first have a string, and from that string we can so we first create a string, and then we can create a character that gets a character from that string that we created by entering a number that corresponds with the string that we created. So basically, we can get a character from the string we created by how it corresponds with the number. So let's first create a string. So we'll create a string called my string equals we'll say this is my string. We will then create a character. Let's say character a letter equals my string. String dot, and we see character at, and then int index. So we'll type that. Now from here we can enter a number from 0 to, we'll see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in my case. So let's first just enter a 0. Now letter now saves capital T, so letter now represents capital T's, since in all strings we count from 0 all the way up until when the string ends. So if we were just to print this out, we'll say letter and run that, we will get capital T. And let's say we wanted lowercase g at the end of the string. We will get 16, enter 16. If we run that, we will get lowercase g. Now what happens if we enter a value that's greater than the string? If we just enter that, we would get an error because it is out of the range of the string.